everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. Today's episode is incredibly important because we're learning something that English learners struggle with every single day.
Real English phrases.
Not textbook English.
Not robotic grammar exercises.
Real phrases that native speakers use constantly.
At work.
At school.
At school.
At restaurants.
On phone calls.
In conversations with friends.
Literally everywhere.
And honestly, this is one of the biggest differences between learners who sound natural and learners who sound too formal.
Oh, yes.
Because many learners know grammar.
But they don't know conversational flow.
Exactly.
They can build sentences.
But conversations still feel awkward.
Because native English is built from patterns and phrases.
Yes, that's the secret.
Native speakers don't create every sentence from zero.
We use familiar phrases again and again naturally.
Which is why today we're giving you
10 English phrases you genuinely need every single day.
And trust me, these are phrases you'll start hearing everywhere after this episode.
Your brain will suddenly notice them constantly.
It's honestly kind of scary when that starts.
Okay. Phrase number 1. Hang on a second.
Native speakers use this constantly.
All the time.
Meaning, wait a moment.
Exactly. Examples. Hang on a second. I'm coming. Hang on. Let me check. Hang on a minute.
This is such a natural replacement for wait.
Yes, because wait alone can sound too direct sometimes.
Especially depending on tone.
Exactly.
Imagine your friend says, "Where's my charger?"
Hang on a second. I think it's in my bag.
Very smooth. Very natural.
Also, native speakers shorten it constantly.
Oh, yes.
Sometimes we just say, hang on.
Tiny phrase, huge native energy.
Another thing learners should know, people say this during phone calls constantly.
Oh, yes.
Hang on a second. Let me transfer your call.
Instant. Okay. Phrase number 2. I'm just kidding.
Extremely important phrase, honestly.
Especially if you joke around a lot.
Exactly. This phrase means, I'm joking.
Example. Your cooking is terrible. I'm just kidding.
Emotional recovery sentence.
Very important recovery sentence.
Native speakers use humor constantly, so this phrase appears everywhere.
Especially sarcasm.
Oh, yes. English-speaking cultures love sarcasm.
Sometimes too much, honestly.
True.
Example. Wow, your room is so clean. Meanwhile, the room looks like a disaster.
Exactly.
Then immediately, I'm just kidding.
This phrase protects friendships, honestly. Another natural version? Just kidding.
Even shorter. Even more casual.
Native English loves shortening everything.
Which is both helpful and chaotic.
Phrase number 3. No worries. Oh, this phrase is everywhere now.
Especially in casual conversations.
It means it's okay. Or no problem.
Exactly. Examples. Sorry I'm late. No worries.
Thanks for helping me. No worries.
Very relaxed. Very friendly.
Honestly, this phrase instantly makes conversations feel warmer.
Yes. It sounds more human.
Compared to robotic textbook English like, you are welcome.
Exactly. Native speakers say, no worries. No problem. Of course.
Much more conversational.
Another thing, tone matters a lot here.
Oh, yes.
A warm, no worries, feels friendly.
While a cold, no worries, can sound slightly scary.
Tone changes everything in English.
Okay, phrase number 4. That makes sense.
Native speakers use this constantly during conversations.
Meaning, I understand your explanation.
Exactly. Example, I was late because the traffic was terrible. That makes sense.
This phrase is amazing because it keeps conversations flowing naturally.
Yes, that's important.
Many learners accidentally stop conversations too quickly,
Right.
but native speakers react constantly while listening.
Exactly. We say, right. Yeah, that makes sense. True.
Small reactions make conversations feel alive.
Oh, yes. That's one of the biggest secrets to sounding fluent.
Fluency is not only speaking.
It's reacting naturally, too.
Wow, that was deep.
Phrase number 5. I'm on my way.
Every human has used this phrase while still sitting at home.
Facts.
This phrase means, I'm coming.
Exactly. Examples, where are you? I'm on my way.
Native speakers use this constantly in texts and phone calls,
Especially when running late.
which happens to me way too often, honestly.
Same.
Another important thing, people often shorten it.
Yes.
Instead of, I am on my way, they say, on my way.
Very natural texting English.
Tiny phrase, massive daily usage.
You'll hear this. Okay, next phrase. I'm exhausted.
Such a useful upgrade from, I'm tired.
Exactly. Exhausted means very tired.
Example, I worked all day. I'm exhausted.
Native speakers love exaggeration, honestly.
We really do.
Another super important phrase. It depends.
Oh, yes. Daily conversation essential.
Example, do you like working from home?
It depends.
Meaning the answer changes depending on the situation.
This phrase instantly makes conversations sound more natural and thoughtful.
Exactly. Instead of simple yes-no answers all the time.
Because real conversations are usually more complicated. Okay, phrase number 8. To be honest.
Native speakers use this constantly before opinions.
Example, to be honest, I didn't like the movie.
Or, to be honest, I'm really nervous.
This phrase makes conversations feel more personal and real.
Exactly. It creates emotional connection.
But funny thing?
What?
Sometimes people say, to be honest, and then immediately lie.
True.
Humanity is amazing.
Another common version? Honestly.
Even more casual.
Example? Honestly, I forgot completely.
Very.
Okay, final 2 phrases.
Let's go.
Phrase number 9. My bad.
Super common casual English.
Meaning, that was my mistake.
Example. Oh, wait, I sent the wrong file. My bad.
Very casual, though.
Yes. Don't use this in super formal situations.
Exactly.
Final phrase. I appreciate it.
Beautiful phrase, honestly.
Much warmer than simply saying, thanks.
Example? Thanks for helping me today. I really appreciate it.
That sounds genuine.
Exactly. And native speakers love emotional appreciation phrases.
Small phrase, big.
Okay, let's quickly review today's phrases.
Hang on a second.
I'm just kidding.
No worries.
That makes sense.
I'm on my way.
I'm exhausted.
It depends.
To be honest,
My bad.
I appreciate it.
Honestly,
These are the kinds of phrases that make English sound real.
Exactly. Not textbook English, not robotic English.
Human English.
Beautifully said.
Thank you. I'm emotional now.
And remember, fluency is not about using giant, complicated words.
It's about using natural phrases comfortably.
Exactly.
So after this episode, start listening for these phrases in movies, podcasts, YouTube videos, and conversations.
You'll start hearing them everywhere.
And once your brain notices them repeatedly,
They slowly become natural for you too.
that's how fluency grows.
One phrase at a time.
If today's episode helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, which phrase do you already use the most?
We read every single comment.
Every single one.
Thank you so much for listening.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep speaking English with confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.